Shanghai RAISE-Power Machinery Company Limited, established in 2006, is an industry-advanced manufacturer of internal combustion engines, headquartered in Shanghai, China. We have 18 years of industry experience, and our products are sold to 68 countries and regions around the world. We have 64 patents, brand new production lines and factory areas, which further help us achieve strong product supply capabilities. We specialize in providing emergency equipment for global power, drainage and lighting equipment suppliers, from product design to production and delivery, to after-sales service. In our company, we focus on producing suitable products for each application scenario. We have a professional team and engineer team with 18 years of work, with experience, which can design suitable power solutions for customers and solve their power needs. In terms of outdoor work and emergency rescue, our mobile generators and mobile lighting trucks, pump trucks, all have satisfied performance. In addition, our company also has rich experience in international bidding. For example, telecommunications base stations, hospitals, schools. Shanghai RAISE-Power Machinery Company Limited will set up its own direct stores in Russia, Chile, Canada, France, Germany, and Southeast Asia to ensure the convenient service for local customers. We have been pursuing quick development and are willing to grow together with partners from all over the world. Welcome friends from all over the world to join us. We will also achieve better results together with partners from all over the world in the future.